Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, guys. I am Sarwat Rani Khan says welcome in k.zkitchen. How are you? I hope all of you are well and doing well and having well. Guys, you have made a lot of kinds of chutneys or dips at your homes. But today I will share a very mind-blowing dip or chutneys recipe which I mostly made at my home, and I don't keep it in refrigerator or fridge. Without keeping in fridge or refrigerator, it keeps fresh within a 10 to 15 days. Okay, for this I have taken some tomatoes, garlic cloves, salt, sugar, and now I'm adding desiccated coconut. The place of this desiccated coconut, you can take fresh coconut. And also I have taken 3/4 cup of water, normal water. And now I will give all of these ingredients just a little boil. I will cover the lid, and after 1 or 2 minutes, I will open the lid. Okay. Why did I cover the lid? So our tomatoes can be softened, because we have to discard or peel off the skins of these tomatoes. Like this. Separate all of these. Now we will keep them little bit rest after turning off the burner or flame. So these could be cool. Okay. Let's come to our other ingredients. I have added a little bit or 1 tablespoon oil. Okay, here I have some fresh ingredients. 3 to 4 green chilies, as much you want to eat. Some mint and some fresh coriander. Also here I have some salt, some coriander seeds, some Carrom seeds, ajwain, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. If you have seeds, so you can definitely use, and black pepper powder. If you have whole black pepper, so you can use. Here I am using white vinegar. At this time I don't have fresh lemon juice, otherwise you can use lemon juice. Now we will add all of these ingredients in a juicer jug, and then we will blend all of these, and also we will add our boiled ingredients, and we will add little bit water. Okay, I used 1 cup heaped fresh coriander and 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Okay, I am adding all of these. That's our desiccated coconut. You can see it has become a paste, a sticky paste. That will give a nice body to our chutney or dip. Okay, now I am adding little bit water in it, or you can say as much we required. Okay, now cover the lid and let's blend this chutney. You can use this chutney on any place, means that you can use it with pulao, biryani, zira rice, or dal chawal, or matar pulao, even any food item with which do you want to eat it, you can eat. Mashallah, you can see how much beautiful it's looking, and its fragrance and its taste is also very nice and good. Its texture is very smooth and silky, and you can see the presentation. If you like my recipes, so definitely you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. There is no harm to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's see its body and thickness. Mashallah, it's not too much watery. I didn't add too much water in its blending. Mashallah, let's taste it as it is. Okay. Mashallah, it is too much tasty, and its color is also very fascinating. Okay, viewers, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. If you like my recipes, I will say again, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and Allah Hafiz.